We interact with a solid, predictable world. A glass falls, it shatters, and gravity pulls the water to the floor. Beneath this tactile surface, a hidden mathematical engine governs every physical interaction. But this engine has unresolved errors. When astrophysicists measure the rotational speed of galaxies, they find a massive discrepancy. 85% of the mass required to hold these structures together is missing, a phenomenon labeled dark matter. Dark matter is a hypothesized invisible substance that does not interact with light or electromagnetic fields. Zoom in to the subatomic level, and strict determinism vanishes entirely. At the quantum scale, the microscopic realm of atoms and subatomic particles, the future remains probabilistic, existing in a state of suspended possibilities until a measurement occurs. Then there is the observer experiencing it all. Cognitive science struggles with the hard problem of consciousness. Reality originates in pure quantum information. The hard problem of consciousness is the challenge of explaining why biological processes produce subjective, vivid internal experiences rather than operating as unfeeling machines. For decades, researchers have built larger particle colliders and deeper underground detectors to find the microscopic physical particles that would resolve these three specific anomalies. They have found nothing. This persistent lack of physical evidence points toward a different architecture entirely, the Emergent Informational Ledger Theory. The Emergent Informational Ledger Theory, or EILT, is a framework proposing that reality is not composed of primordial physical matter, but is instead a self-optimizing quantum computer. In this framework, missing mass, quantum probability, and conscious experience are not broken mechanics. They are the visible, operational features of a universal system actively writing its own code. Reality originates in pure quantum information. This base layer is known as the Roolead. The Roolead is a concept from computational cosmology, describing the entangled, swirling superposition of all possible computational rules and states. Left alone, this raw data would result in infinite regress and chaos. To prevent this, the universe employs constants like the speed of light, gravity, and Planck's constant as a low-level hypervisor. A hypervisor is an underlying operating system function that manages calculation threads, enforces resource limits, and guarantees global integrity. Under these strict constraints, physical spacetime emerges as an immutable computational blockchain. The physical past consists of pre-rendered, securely logged history, while the present moment functions as the active read-write head. The future remains glitchless.